Hey guys, it is Saturday and I decided I wanted to go thrifting for some home decor. If you guys didn't know, I moved from LA to my hometown in Rockford, Illinois, and I'm currently staying at my parents' house. And next month is when I plan to move out and find my own place and everything. So I just want to start collecting items for my future place. So I saw a few estate sales online that I wanted to check out. So I'm gonna head to those places first and see if I can snag anything. And then after that, I think I'm gonna try to hit up Restore. It's one of my favorite places here in my hometown. It has a lot of home decor and like home project things of sorts. I'll explain it when I get there and I'll show you guys around, but I've been there once and it was really good, so I wanted to check out that place as well. So we're just gonna kind of pop around my town and see what treasures we can find. And yeah, I have my coat on. It is so, well, it's actually not that cold out, but it snowed yesterday, so there's a lot of snow. So we're gonna maneuver around town and I will take you guys along. So I headed to my first estate sale, and right inside, kind of in the foyer area, were some clothes hanging up, so I took a look at those. And at first I thought this was a shacket and I almost freaked out, but then I realized it really wasn't. It was more like a shirt. Then I made it into the first bedroom and I saw this dresser and I thought it was really cool. It was definitely very large, so just the thought of trying to get it into my vehicle and transporting it back to my house, just like, I didn't want to deal with that. It was only $95 and it was actually half off. So yeah, everything today was half off. So I don't know, I'm kind of regretting not getting it now that I'm seeing the footage, but it's all good. Then I saw this vase and I thought it looked really unique and I liked the shape of it, so I held on to that. And then I went down to the basement and I found this cake pan and it looked really cool, so I also held on to that. And then I feel like every estate sale has a Christmas room of just like Christmas decor, so I walked away with 2 items and then I just went to my car and headed to my second estate sale.
Alright, so there has been some change of events. We are not going to be going to the second estate sale because upon arrival, I figured out, basically I was headed to the second estate sale and I recognized the street name. It sounded familiar. And as I was getting closer, I realized that it was the house that my ex used to live in. It was his grandma's house. And not my most recent ex, the one before. So if you guys have been on my channel for at least 3 years, you guys know which one I'm talking about. Just not good. That's all I have to say. I'm not going in, there was just no way in hell that I was going to be stepping foot into that house. But it's kind of weird because I looked up pictures of that estate sale to like see what was in there, and I literally didn't recognize it, except for there was okay, this is just too much. Okay, there was a zebra print carpet, which I thought it was a rug, but no, that was actually my ex's room. He had a zebra carpet. Don't ask me why, but he did. So that explains that, but everything else, I was just like, oh yeah, that looks cool, that looks cool. Like, I had no freaking clue that that was gonna be what my afternoon consisted of, was driving past my ex's grandma's house where he used to live. Anyways, we're here at Restore Habitat for Humanity. Let's head inside and positive energy. Let's do this. It's so weird.
So yeah, I'm still a little bit perplexed by that whole situation. It was actually pretty funny. But anyways, this place always has really unique things, and I like how they have tags on most of their items that say exactly what they are, and I don't know, I just think the prices are pretty reasonable. And also flashback to the last estate sale that I went to like a few weeks ago, where they had a ton of these, like the lady collected them, and you guys told me that they were called flower frogs and they're used for like bouquets. So a little fun fact there. Okay, this is really cool actually. $18. This place is pretty cool too because they have some paint. So if you wanted to paint something, they have like the same color, like a ton of them. So it's really nice. I kind of like this one. This one is actually really pretty. And it's $20. I always leave this store feeling very inspired to like do home projects. So that's a little tip. If you guys want to do home projects, I would come to a Restore. I know they have them all over the country, so definitely look them up and see if you can find one by you. Like, I'm over here contemplating buying this marble countertop for absolutely no reason. This is what this store does to me. Like, I think to myself, do I need this random countertop? Like, no, you probably don't need that right now, but that's just what this store does to me. It makes me believe that I need to redo my non-existent kitchen. And I also thought this chair was really cool. I just didn't really like the legs on it with the wheels, but then I left, and they also have these free books that are in the inside of the doors, but I didn't get anything. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in. Okay, I did not find anything at Restore, unfortunately. It's usually like a hit or miss. I think I'm gonna head to a thrift store just to check out only their home decor section and then probably leave, but I want to try to find some more things. I will head there and let's go check it out. I also may or may not stop for food at some point, but we will see. Okay, let's go. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Okay, so I'm here at my favorite thrift store, so hopefully we have better luck. And I was gonna go to a different one, but I realized I was closer to this one. So we're gonna check it out. Let's go. A rare PT Cruiser sighting. We've been here before. Give me the real this time. No. So I couldn't help myself and I had to look at the clothes when I first walked in, and I found this really funny sweater and I just thought it was very unique. But then I finally made my way to the back of the store where all of the home decor was, and I was looking at the mugs and I saw this one. Okay, this is actually a really weird sign because my ex's grandma, her name was Nancy. So, is this trying to tell me something? I don't know. Very interesting. Later, clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. I think I just bought this exact same thing. Should I get another one? Like a matching one, I guess. Probably should. Okay, so I just left that thrift store and I found two things and I think they're pretty good. So I'm excited to show you guys those things as well as everything else I got today. And also I have a few other things from a past thrift outing. So I will show you guys all those things probably tomorrow, but right now I'm gonna go and get some tacos because I am starving. You guys, come to this place. It's called El Burrito Loco and it's drive-through, which is the best part. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. So we finally made it to the haul portion of this video and I'm excited to show you guys, so I'm just gonna hop right in. The first two items are actually from when I went to Savers in Schaumburg. It was like 2 months ago when I first moved here and I just happened upon these two items and I freaked out because it's honestly like everything that I've been wanting. So this is the first item. I've been wanting, you know, like those pampas leaf grass things, and I thought this would look really cool in here. I think this was like $7. I want to say it was $6.99. I think the tag fell off, but it does have the original tags on it and it's from 2001. Actually, this is vintage because it's technically 2021 and this was from 2001. So that's crazy that that's already considered vintage because it's 20 years old. So it doesn't really have a brand. It just has like the scan code thing. So yeah, this is so exciting to find. I may or may not just paint it one color, but I do really like the whole texture of it, so I don't know, I might leave it. And then I found this next item. It wasn't even right next to it, it was like across the way, but I'm pretty sure they came together because it had like the same tag, and this one is also from 2001. So how cool is this? It's just like a little mini version of that one, and I'm sure this is like hand spun. It definitely looks like it. I just think it looks so unique and cool. So I'll show you guys like the difference in sizes. I think they look so cute together. And I'm just excited for when I move out to like style this really nicely. So let me know your guys' opinion if I should paint it or not. I feel like most of you guys are just gonna say not to paint them, but I can just imagine it being like, I don't know about a terracotta color, but just like a more neutral color I think would be cool. But I also don't really want to paint it because I think it looks cool how it is, but yeah, I want to know your guys' thoughts on that. And then this is also from a few weeks ago, not the trip that I just went on, but I wanted to show you guys because I, again, just freaked out when I saw this. So I found these amazing glasses. How cool are these? These are so vintagey and like 70s, and guys, I'm really trying to channel like when I move out to have like 70 vibes, even though, I mean, this isn't really 70s, but we can make it work. But I really want to like go hardcore on the 70s trend because it brings me so much joy. So I have 13 of these. They're all packaged away, so I'm not going to open them all, but I am obsessed with these, and these would just be so nice to have like little cocktails. And I don't know when I'm going to be able to entertain 12 other people, but you know, a girl can dream. I will be prepared when that day comes. And these are only $1, but then when I got up to the register, the lady said that these were actually buy one get one free, so I don't even know how much I actually paid. I think I paid like $7 for 13 of them, which is insane. So this is just a deal of the century, and I am so excited to have these like on my bar carts. I'm just saying, these are gonna be so cute, and I'm very excited about those. And then on that same trip, I had gotten this little platter, and I love this so much. It looks kind of like a seashell. And okay, this is when my like decor tastes really just clash with each other, because I'm so here for the 70s vibes, but then I also love this, like, I don't even know what vibe you would call this. It's just kind of like fun and quirky, I guess, but I really love this too. So I'm gonna have kind of a hard time styling my new place because I don't know, they're kind of clashing. So we're gonna have to figure this out. I love the color, and yeah, I thought this was really cool. And this was $2. Then I went to that first estate sale and I found two things, including this little cake pan, and I just thought this was so adorable. Like, I don't think I've ever used a cake pan like this. You know how you always see them in the thrift store, and I never really pay attention to them, but I just thought this one was so nice because it looks so retro-y, and I'm just excited to make a cake. Like, I really, like, the next person who has a birthday, I'm making them a cake and I'm just gonna send it to them. I'm so excited about this. I might actually just like make one for fun. That would actually be really fun. Let me know if you guys want to see a video about that, because I really want to make a cake and like decorate it. So this was $5, but since I went on Saturday, everything was half off, so I got this for $2.50. And then I also found this little vase for $4. I just thought this was nice, and I don't exactly know. I think I'll probably just put flowers in it whenever I get flowers, which if anybody wants to send me flowers, like, let me know. So this was $4 and I got it for $2. I just really like the style of it. I think it's really pretty. So that's what I got from there. And then the last place I went thrifting in this video, I actually got a matching one, which is kind of fun actually, because I mean, I don't really know where I would put two of them. I don't know. Let me know what you guys would do with this. Would you just use this for literal like flowers? Like, what else do you put in vases? I don't really know. Like, maybe the pampas, no, that would look bad. Yeah, honestly, we're just gonna put some flowers in this. We're gonna manifest some flowers being given to me. Maybe I'll buy them myself, you know, who knows. And this one didn't have a price on it, so she gave it to me for $1. So both of these I got for $3 in total, which we love that. And then the last thing that I got was this pitcher, and I love this so much. It's so like sturdy and heavy. It's a nice quality pitcher we got here, and this was only $2. Again, it's very 70s, and I think it'll go really nicely with this. Like, how cute is this? I'm just saying, it's a vibe. I love this. Like, I love it. It's so cute. So that completes my home decor haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, let me know if you guys want me to continue thrifting for home decor and showing you guys, because I'm always keeping an eye out, so might as well just show you guys. So if you guys enjoyed it, I will continue to do these videos. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.